You're scrolling through your phone, seeing those sleek charts, those perfectly timed buy and sell signals, all those glowing testimonials. And you think, could that be me? Could I actually make real money from TradingView? I mean, let's be honest, we've all had that fleeting thought, haven't we? The promise of financial freedom, right at your fingertips. But is it just a dream, or is there something real behind all those flashy indicators? Because here's the thing, TradingView itself isn't a brokerage. It's a powerful charting platform, a community hub for traders, and a place where you can find a ton of tools. But it doesn't directly put money into your bank account. So, the question isn't can you make money on TradingView, but can you use TradingView to make money in the markets? And the answer, like with most things in trading, is a resounding, it depends. Let's break it down. First, let's look at the tools. TradingView offers a massive array of indicators, drawing tools, and screeners. You can analyze price action, spot trends, identify potential entry and exit points, and even backtest strategies. Think of it as your trading cockpit. But just like a pilot needs training to fly a plane, you need to know how to use these tools effectively. Simply slapping on a few indicators and expecting instant profits is a recipe for disaster. Then there's the community aspect. TradingView allows you to follow other traders, share ideas, and learn from others. This can be incredibly valuable, especially for beginners. You can see how experienced traders analyze the markets, learn new strategies, and get feedback on your own ideas. But remember, not everyone on the internet is a guru. Do your own research and don't blindly follow anyone's advice. Critical thinking is your best friend. Now, let's talk about the real money-making part. TradingView helps you analyze and strategize, but you need a brokerage account to actually execute trades. You'll connect your brokerage to TradingView, or use the information gleaned from it to make trades on your chosen platform. This is where the risk comes in. Trading is inherently risky, and there are no guarantees. You can lose money just as easily as you can make it. So, how do you increase your chances of success? Well, it's not a magic formula, but here are a few key points. Education. Learn the basics of technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Don't jump in without a solid foundation. Practice. Use TradingView's paper trading feature to test your strategies without risking real money. This allows you to learn from your mistakes without financial consequences. Risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit your losses and stick to your trading plan. Patience. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. It takes time, discipline, and perseverance. Adaptability. The markets are constantly changing. Be willing to adapt your strategies and learn from your experiences. TradingView is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's up to you to learn how to use it effectively and develop a winning trading strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, dedication, and a healthy dose of realism. If you're willing to put in the work, TradingView can be a valuable asset in your trading journey. But if you're looking for a shortcut to wealth, you're going to be disappointed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.